photographer's grip for you. So let's see if this works. He might be too flappy to be nice, but oh yeah, that's the flappy. All right, buddy, we'll get you back into bander's grip. That's more comfortable, huh?
Wow, it's amazing.
All right.
It's
So,
amazing that, yeah, he's just like, okay, I'm fine.
all right, if somebody wants to put their hand out, I can let you release it. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
All right. So it's probably gonna, sometimes they stay for a second, but just keep your fingers extended. I'm just gonna place him and there you go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.